Big loads, bigger results. Introducing side dump trains by Demco. With different configurations built specifically for different state-by-state regulations, Demco side dump trains are engineered to move more material more efficiently. These trains come equipped with Demco's core side dump advantages, including a lower center of gravity for improved balance and safer dumping. FlexCorner shock-absorbing technology to prevent cracking and wear, and exclusive driver-side dump direction controls for enhanced safety and accessibility. Add in additional standard features, such as cylinders on both ends of the tub for faster cycle times, and a corrosion protective solution, and you've got a trailer that pays you back in performance for years to come. Check your state's laws to see if you can haul more tons per trip the Demco way today. For more information on how the Demco side dump trains can elevate your operation, visit www.demco-products.com or call 1-800-543-3626.